Hey my gourmet cooks out there, welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems Gourmet Recipes. So what's on the menu today is some chicken egg foo young. This is one of my favorite Chinese recipes. I love it. It's probably the only recipe that I order when I go to Chinese fast food. So anyhow, we're gonna jump into the ingredients. You'll need chicken breast, 6 eggs, cornstarch, soy sauce, chicken bouillon, flavor, and then a chicken stock. You'll also need salt, black pepper, onion garlic powder, and onion, peas and carrots, which these are frozen, and that's about it. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the recipe. So what you want to go ahead and do is wash your chicken, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my chicken in halves. So I want to do that because we have to clean the chicken at this point. So that's what I'm basically doing right here. Once you get your chicken cut in halves, as I have it right here, we're then going to go ahead and start dicing them up into tiny, tiny little cubes. All right, so on this step here, it's optional, but I just didn't want to cut my chicken breast into cubes because we're making basically a chicken egg omelet. So you'll see me dicing them up very tiny because I want you to taste the chicken throughout and not have clumps of chicken. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Once you've transferred your meat into a clean bowl, go ahead and dice up an onion, and we're going to add that in. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is crack our eggs and get those beat really good because all of these ingredients will be added into the bowl with the chicken. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our onion, our black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, our chicken bouillon seasoning, our peas and carrots. We're gonna evenly mix everything in together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of paprika just for color. In a heated skillet, go ahead and add in your egg batter into your oil, and I just put oil to cover the bottom of the pan, and I let it fry on each side until golden brown, so about maybe 3 to 4 minutes on each side, but you definitely want to watch it. For the sauce, you're going to take 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon seasoning. You're going to take 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and you want to mix evenly, and you'll just stir this until it gets a nice thick texture. And this is the ending result. You want it to be like a silky glazed gravy. All right, everyone, so this is my finished and completed chicken egg foo young. So I went ahead and plated it for you all, and as you can tell, it has the peas, the carrots in there, and it's nice and golden brown and very crispy on the outside, but nice and, you know, flavorful on the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how I add the gravy on top. So here, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just take some and pour it right over top. And as you can tell, it just drizzles over top of that. So yes, I hope that you all will definitely try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, it's been my absolute pleasure, and I hope y'all have a wonderful evening.